Good morning. Today's our last day in Bangkok. We're flying out in about 10-ish hours. And it's about 10 o'clock right now. We have a few ramen packs that we bought from Koh Samui that we have to eat because I'm not trying to pack it home. And then we have to pack and then go find lunch and check out of our hotel. This is what I'm gonna try. This is the ghost pepper spicy chicken. Ooh, I love spicy food, so I think this will be really good. And then this is what Josh is eating. I think this is a
Tom yum seafood.
Shrimp creamy tom yum flavor. Looks really good too. We also bought this. We had this in Koh Samui and it was really good. We haven't been able to find it, but yesterday we found it at the 7-Eleven nearby. So we're gonna pack it home for my little brother to eat because he's a fatty. This one literally says caution.
You got the spices, huh?
Add at your own risk. Well, shit, if I die, this and a plane ride, fuck it. Cheers. I have black noodles.
Cheers, this is Tom yum.
This is interesting. It is spicy.
That's good. Classic. Yours more of a dry ramen, right?
Yep. This you have to drain the liquid and then eat it dry with the sauce, kind of like the bulldog noodles. I killed it. I'm dying. I'm crying. Oh my god. We are all done packing. We're on our last trip to Big C to pick up some last minute things and our usual daily walk over to Central. But whew, lots of people today. We're up on the Skyway. Yesterday, to get into the Big C, we were up on the Skyway as well. So we're gonna go explore. I'm pretty sure this is the way to Big C. Look at how festive they are. We are gonna try some Karen Thai tea because I am a Karen. Got my little Thai tea for 85 baht, so that's about $2. A little over $2. It's super cute here. Here we go. Alright, let's go. Ooh, it's really good. I don't know, I think I might like this one more than the other one. We made it! Took the right turns, made the right calls, and made it to the Big C Skyway. Like, I really like this area, but I don't know if I want to stay in this area again, because like, the traffic here is so bad.
It's hard to get a taxi.
Yeah, it's really hard to get a taxi, and like, I mean, it's easy to get a taxi, but your taxi will take ages to get to you, even though they're just down the block.
And when you come back, you're just stuck in traffic for like
yeah.
15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Unless you're coming home like late at night, your ride will go from 15 minutes to 40 minutes. I am here for these. Oh.
You want to adjust it down?
No, it's the same thing. We're gonna go explore the centrals and see if they all connect or not. Since we have a lot of time. And yeah, we're definitely not taking advantage of the AC. We wandered into the food hall and then there just happens to be a sign saying the Central Embassy is that way, so we're gonna follow the sign. We know we're going to lunch, but we found a Thai boat noodle place that we wanted to try. This is so tiny and cute, guys. Look at it. It's like, it's just the size of my hand. It's like 2 bites, but I think that's what we were going for. Just a small amount. Look at this. It's so tiny. The lighting in this room is like so weird. Look at my camera.
What the heck?
I know. On our way into the Central Embassy. We made it back to our hotel, and now we're just waiting for our Grab driver. He's just down the block, but it's gonna be about 10 minutes because traffic is really bad. We got a homemade meal. Chicken. We went to a Lotus and did some damage. But we bought a bunch of stuff. Some things for my grandma, some things for my auntie up north. And then a cooler for their beer for when they party. Once we're done here, we're about to go get some ice cream on the ground level because my auntie said that it's really good. So we'll see. We are currently at a Swenson's.
Dubai.
Everything looks so good. I love how the American flag is backwards. My Sunday's here. This is the Dubai chocolate brownie with Dubai chocolate ice cream. Wow. Look at their sundae. Wow. That's gigantic strawberry bingsu.
Happy birthday.
It is 7:24. We fly at 10:25. But it's pretty busy. Good thing we showed up on time or we would have been cooked. Okay. Time to go. We made it through TSA. Now we're on our way to our gate, G3. It's gonna be a really long trip home. We are hopping on a plane to Haneda, and our layover is 4 hours-ish, a little bit over 4 hours. So we're debating if we want to exit the airport again. But who knows? We'll see. We have to think on it.
4 hours, not that long.
Yeah. If you guys see a little vlog of us in Tokyo again, you guys will know that we exited the airport. Last meal in Bangkok. I got Chinese chicken. And Josh got pork belly, kapow, papaya salad. Yummy. Rice is so good. You should try my rice.
The rice? Oh.
On to our gate. We burned about an hour. It's 9:18 right now. We should be boarding in like
9:55.
20 to 30 minutes.
Really good.
And then we fly at 10:25. So right on time. Boarding our plane to Haneda.
ซึ่งขอความร่วมมือผู้โดยสารทุกท่านให้ปิดเครื่องหรือตั้งค่าเซ็นโหมดให้เรียบร้อยバンコクと7時6分です。